Hello again and welcome back to Luna 411. We are doing the November 2019 setup, and you notice probably that I'm changing it up this time. I think I want to do it as simple as possible because this month I am so busy, it's not even funny. First thing I'm going to do is set up my November here, and all I'm going to do this time around, in order to save time without having to draw, I'm just going to tape here the different the calendar I'm going to be using this month, because that way I don't have to draw and I save a lot of time. Next, I'm going to put here a butterfly picture because I wanted to put a quote at the end here so that it could remind me that even though this is being done with stickers, you got to remember this is Thanksgiving time, so it's a good idea to be reminded of something you want to be thankful for. And I'm going to be making a quote right at the bottom here. And another tip, I'm going to be using this here to draw a little reminder of something good that happened to me that day. I think some people call this on their bullet journals, they call it draw one line a day. And instead of writing the word, I'm going to be doing a little picture to remind me of something positive that happened during that particular day. There you go, something to be thankful for. Next, I'm going to be setting up my weeklies, and this time around it's going to be so quick, and I'm going to enjoy that very much, so I don't have to worry about setting it up too much. There we go. Here we have the first weekly of that month in November. So this is Saturday the 30th and December 1st. I'm going to write here December 1st so I don't get confused, because I know I would. This month, because this is Thanksgiving month, I'm just going to add things that I'm going to be thankful for during the month of November. And all I'm going to be doing here is adding a simple sticker and a list of things that I'm thankful for during this month. On this side, I'm going to use my traditional setup for things I learned. And let me try to find a sticker that matches some of these colors. I'm just going to put some highlights that I want to add on this page for things I learned. You know, this page might be useful too if you are the type that likes to write the type of things you're listening to, or maybe the book you're reading, different things like that that could help you make this a page that could be a good memory keeper. All right, everyone, here is the final flip through for the month of November. I love this quote, "Be thankful in advance for what is already yours." And remember to take it one day at a time for this month. Celebrate everything you are thankful for in November. And try to do something very simple for your calendar this month as well. I hope you continue watching, and remember to follow, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time.